In this segment, we'll discuss how to safely operate DK2 products with gasoline to ensure your work environment remains hazard-free. Gasoline is a highly flammable liquid, emitting vapors that can easily ignite, causing fire or explosion. Always follow these precautions. One of the most important precautions you can take while running an engine with gasoline is to never run the engine in an enclosed space or without proper ventilation. The exhaust from the engine contains carbon monoxide, which is an odorless, tasteless, deadly poisonous gas. Store fuel and oil in approved containers away from heat, open flames, and out of reach of children. Fill the gasoline tank outdoors with the engine off and allow it to cool completely before filling. If gasoline spills, do not attempt to start the engine. Move the machine away from the spill and avoid creating any source of ignition until the gas vapors have dissipated. Wipe up any spilled fuel to prevent a fire hazard and properly dispose of the waste. Keep combustible materials away from a hot engine. Never make adjustments or repairs with the engine running. Shut down the engine, disconnect the spark plug wire, keeping it away from the spark plug to prevent accidental starting. And wait 5 minutes before making any adjustments or repairs. Replace rubber fuel lines and grommets when worn or damaged and after 5 years of use. Do not operate the engine with the air cleaner or the carburetor air intake cover removed. Removal of such parts could create a fire hazard. Do not use flammable solutions to clean the air filter. Never tamper with the engine's governor setting. The governor controls the maximum safe operation speed and protects the engine. Overspeeding the engine is dangerous and will cause damage to the engine and to other moving parts of the machine. If required, see your authorized dealer for engine governor adjustments. The muffler and engine can cause severe burns when hot, so avoid touching them. Before storage, ensure the engine is fully cooled and never store the machine near open flames or sparks. By following these guidelines, you can safely operate DK2 products with gasoline, ensuring a hazard-free work environment for you and those around you. Remember, our customer service team is here to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have. Stay safe and efficient with DK2.